Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, JIMS Greater Noida. In financial accounting, we are going to start with the financial statements. And in financial statements, there are three things: trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So today we are going to discuss the very first part of final accounts, that is trading account. Final accounts are the statements which is prepared at the end of accounting period to show the financial performance during the accounting period and the financial position of the business as on that date. So final account includes the trading account, profit and loss account, which is also known as income statement, and the balance sheet. So as per section 209 of Companies Act, it is compulsory for all the companies to keep certain books of accounts and to prepare the financial statements. A trading account shows the results of buying and selling of goods, and trading account is prepared to show the difference between selling price and the cost price. So as it is an account, so the nominal, as per nominal account, all the expenses and losses will be recorded on the debit side, and all the incomes and gains will be recorded on the credit side. And when the expenses are more than income, then the company will incur gross loss. And if the income are more than the losses, then the company will incur the gross profit. So with the help of trading account, we can get to know whether the company has earned gross profit or whether the company has incurred gross loss during the particular period. So the financial accounts are prepared for the financial year, that is from 1st April of current year till the 31st March of next year. So the trading account gives the overall result of the trading. It explains whether the purchasing of goods and selling them has proved to be profitable for the business or not. So if the sales are more than cost of goods sold, then there is profit. When the cost of goods sold are more than sales, then there is loss. So the profit which is disclosed by the trading account is termed as gross profit, while the loss which is disclosed by the trading account is the gross loss. Talking about the features of trading account, it is the first stage of final accounts of a trading concern. It is prepared on the last day of accounting period. Only direct income and direct expenses are recorded in this. All the direct expenses are recorded on debit side, and all the direct incomes or revenue is recorded on credit side. So all the items of direct expenses and direct revenue which is related to current year are taken into the account, but no item related to the past year or next year is considered in it. So if the credit side exceeds, then it represents the gross profit, and if the debit side exceeds, it shows the gross loss. In the trading account, there are main components, that is the opening stock, whether it is related to raw material, finished goods, or work in process. Then closing stock is also there, purchases, sales, and all other direct expenses. Now, this is the format of trading account. Like I have already mentioned, that all the expenses would be recorded on the debit side. The first thing that is recorded is the opening stock. So whatever stock is there in the beginning of the period will be recorded here. Then whatever purchases of raw material is being done of the stock, that is being recorded. If there is any purchase has been returned by the company to the supplier, that would be deducted. So whatever amount is there, that would be net purchase. Then all the expenses which is related regarding the purchase of the stock or the manufacturing expense or the production expense will be recorded on the debit side, like carriage and goods, wages, duties, royalty, gas, water, fuel, electricity, freight, octroi, packing material. So all the direct expenses will be recorded on the debit side. There is only one direct income, that is sales. If there is any sales goods that has been returned by the customer, that would be deducted. So this is the gross sales. After deducting the sales return would be the net sales. And whatever stock is left at the end of the year, that is closing stock, will be recorded here. So the same rule will be applied in account. We start with the word to on the debit side, and on the credit side we start with the word buy. And at the end of every transaction we mention the word account. So when all the expenses and income are being recorded, then the company has to find out the balance. So when the income is more than the expenses, then the company will get gross profit. In case expenses are more, then the company will incur the gross loss. So that's all about the trading account. Thank you.